welcome back to my channel. This is Oliver. I'm cat sitting. Cheyenne did not grow. We are doing a little Shein Amazon teacher haul. The vast majority of this is teacher related things. I bought two things on Amazon Prime Day and this is one of them. It is a teacher Taylor Swift themed shirt. It says a lot to teach at the moment. I will probably wear it next week when I go into my classroom to do a little work. I'm going to go ahead and group all of this stuff. Show you the headbands first, show you the shirts first. So first, we're going to start with what I bought to put in the kids' little birthday bags. So these are pencils that are bendable. We had a field trip last year where the kids ended up getting slap bracelets and they were very obsessed with them. And I guess maybe they've never heard of a slap bracelet before in their life, but I got a whole collection. I remember when I was growing up, you could literally just like throw it and it would work. Obviously, these are a little cheaper than that, but the kids will like them anyways. And then I also got them these little monsters. Apparently assembly is required because it just comes with the monster. All of the faces are loose and all of the springs are loose. This looks like a job for my paras in the beginning of the year because I do not want to put together 20 monsters. No, thank you. And I'll probably just do like a ring pop or something in a little cell phone bag and bam, birthday bag, done, right there. And that was like under $5. I will show you in the beginning there when the birthday bags are together, so eventually we'll get to that and you can see the finished product. Next up, I got a pair of volleyball stud earrings, and then I also got two little volleyball keychains, one for my volleyball bag, one for my fellow coach's volleyball bag because I coach the 4th and 5th grade volleyball team at our school. It is always a super duper fun time. We have some straw covers that are teacher edition. I have a lot of kids that struggle to cover their coughs, so a nice thing is to have my straw covered at all times because the last thing you want is kid germs in your water bottle. No thank you. A whole fun little pack of that. I didn't mention this, but I'll have everything linked down below if it's still available if you want to shop for yourself. Not sponsored. I know some people aren't a fan of Shein, but I personally just like the stuff there and I've never had a problem with the products that I've gotten. Next up, Shein's already in their Halloween mood and I loved this little black studded headband, the little ghosty charms on it. I thought that was so adorable. Grabbed this little school themed one, so it's a pencil print and it's got apples and little charms and studs glued on top of it. There actually was a cuter one that was crayons as the base, but it wasn't in English, so it just looked like crayon was spelled wrong. I couldn't tell you what language it was, but anyways, I ended up getting the pencil themed one. Cute. I got some of the silicone rings because these ones are glittery and I'm constantly losing my silicone band. I'm gonna be honest, I probably wear my silicone ring more than I wear my actual ring because the diamond sits up pretty high, and so when I'm walking around at Walmart, I'm like constantly getting it like caught on clothing or banging against the compactor, or when I'm teaching, like I don't want to be scratching a kid, so I wear a plastic one a lot, but I also end up losing them a lot, and these were super cheap. And then on the ring topic, these are basically the Betsy Johnson knockoff. They're pretty thin, but if you consider, yes, these are adorable, but $9 for a ring that is most likely going to be falling off of my finger anyways is not ideal. This is a little seed planter. I've really gotten into gardening this summer, and I did have some that I planted by seed, and the seeds were so small that I definitely got more than one in the hole I was trying to get it into. So this is supposed to be able to help you plant with just one little seed in the hole at a time. I guess we'll have to see next spring if that works out. I got this cute little acrylic ruler style hair clip. Beautiful. My Instagram handle, my YouTube handle, I call myself the SparklingSpeducator. I like glitter and I teach special education. So in my mind, there is absolutely no better earring than one that says it takes a lot of sparkle to be a teacher. To me, that's perfect. I have a t-shirt that says math, 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 and I thought that these would be absolutely perfect. So it's math at the heart, and then it's just like a glittery calculator. Love it. The composition black notebook is super popular right now. Oopsies. And I love how this one is just like flecks of glitter. To me, that is adorable. If you've watched any of my classroom setup videos, you might notice that I group kids by like a sticker in their book bin, but I also have a sticker store. I grabbed a pack of Pokemon stickers because I do have a couple boys that are in a group together that would love, I'm sure, if their group was referred to as like a Pokemon character. And I know my Pokemon, so like this is Blastoise. So I'm familiar with the Pokemon, and I'm not opposed to having them in my sticker store. These, I would say, are a pretty classic earring by my standards. It's just kind of a pearl little apple. Cute. Here we have some beaded little apples, and it's actually really light. The nice thing about the Shein ones is they're usually like a velvety cardboard-ish backing, and it's not like a solid metal, where like the more high-end stores, I mean even like Target's Bauble Bar, it's usually a metal on the back, and it really makes the earrings really heavy, whereas this is like cheaper, but it makes it way more easier to wear, in my opinion. And then I've got these really cute rainbow apples that say teach with the little flowers on the top. And then the last piece of jewelry, accessories sort of thing. Smiley face is super popular right now. And I love that smiley face little star combination. Just a little bracelet. Okay, getting into things. I've mentioned this in a video before that I have a random stain on my mouse pad at work, and I'm pretty sure it is a coffee stain. So hey, let's get a Fueled by Iced coffee for my mouse pad. Why not? My other thing I ordered off of Amazon from the Amazon Prime sale, kind of like a mobile desk, I guess you could say. At school I have the exact same one in black, and I just keep my keyboard on my mouse and sometimes like my walkie on it for the smartboard and just whatever else I'm using at the time. So I got a black, white polka dot print. I think I'm going to take this one to school because I have a lot of polka dot print at school already. And then I got this one because I bought the white version of the rolly desk to keep at home up here because we have hardwood floors, and it'd be nice to just be able to roll my computer around, like if I want to work in the bedroom or I want to work in here, just to like roll my stuff around and not necessarily have to carry it. And this one's more of like a retro print, I guess you could say, but I think that would look really cute on the white, and I don't really have a lot of colors here at home to like contrast that. Whereas like at school I have lots of color because I spend a lot of time at school, and I think I put more time into decorating school than I do my house. And we don't really have people that come over either, so I don't put a lot of time into decorating the house. And now on the clothing. This is, I'm gonna be honest, just a Taylor Swift knockoff. It says Fearless. We've got Breathe, Love Story, White Horse, literally just all the Taylor Swift songs from the Fearless album, with the little pictures that kind of go along with it. I'm not paying $50 for Taylor Swift merch, even though I've been a fan since like 2006 when I saw her in concert here in Wisconsin in the middle of a field. I'm not paying that much for merch, sorry. Here we have what I think I'm gonna wear for picture day. I think. I mean, I have to try it on and everything, but it's just a little white shirt that has like really pretty sleeves. We do picture day usually on Meet the Teacher Day, so I don't have to worry about a kid smearing something on me before picture day. Really, it was the sleeves that I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. I remember last year I did not buy a dedicated shirt for picture day. And then the day came and I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I did end up picking this out, and this, well, it's backwards. This is what I wore last year for picture day, but I remember the morning of, I was panicking because I didn't have a dedicated shirt. But now we have a plan for picture day, so all is good. This is basically like a dress version of swimsuit cover-up. Well, actually, it's looking very sweater-like, but it's supposed to be a dress. It's got just a crochet with cute little flowers on the side. Swimsuit cover-up, so yeah, there's big old holes in it, but you know, swimsuit cover-ups have that. This, I was very excited about. Orange and pink is really in right now, and I've seen a couple cardigans at TJ Maxx that I almost bought. But I don't really like the cardigans that are a crop on the side because most of the time I prefer a longer cardigan. So I found this, and it's a pink and orange, kind of like a patchwork. So cute. I wear a lot of pink, so pink and orange is easy to match with, or just like a plain old black dress. I feel like bright colors and polka dot is really in right now, and I was really excited when I saw this because it's bright colors and it's polka dot, and it's a lot of the colors I currently have. So cute. Perfect for just, you know, a teacher work day or wearing it to school. This entire clothing rack behind me right here is just my teacher shirts and school shirts. And if I'm working in my classroom in the middle of the summer, 99% of the time, that's what I'm wearing. This is a little cardigan. I realize that I have a lot of bright colored things. And so sometimes when I'm trying to be a serious, I'm 30 years old adult, at teacherish events, I realize that I have a lot of bright colored things and nothing that's like my age, but you know, just a nice neutral brown checkered cardigan. It was on sale when I got it. I do have a student that uses a speech device, so I saw this and it was a must-have. It says communication looks different for everyone, so I thought that was so perfect. And the last thing, I love shiny, bright things. I'm a big fan of sparkles, and if you are familiar with the Queen of Sparkles brand, it's like everything and more that I would ever want in any sort of clothing, but it's like $100 for a shirt, and that is not my life. So I found this on sale. It's supposed to be a shirt, I think, but I bought it in the extra large so I could have it long enough to wear a dress, because this is what I'm going to be wearing around Valentine's Day. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, and it's both sides. I hate when like the front is like a wonderful sequin design and the back is like plain. Like, oh no, this is a double-sided sequin dress piece of art. That, my friends, is where we're ending this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment on your favorite piece down below, and if you're interested in any of the links, I'll have them linked down in the description box. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.